This is a Floor Traders Club Chicago online educational trading channel update. Presented in an educational format only, and nothing is to be taken as trading advice. In addition, no presentation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those predicted or shown. Sponsored by the Floor Traders Club Chicago, online educational channels and workshops. To get a trading edge now, join our See It Hear It Live educational trading channel, broadcast trading days, online, live from the trading pits in Chicago to your PC via live audio and real-time charts. Starting at 8 a.m. Central Time at www.floortradersclub.com. That's www.floortradersclub.com. You must assess the risk of any trade with your broker and make your own independent decisions regarding any securities, futures, options, and any other financial instruments mentioned or shown. Trading futures and forex or any other financial instruments involves high risk. Please consult a licensed financial professional. Please review and be aware of the additional risk disclosures and disclaimers displayed. And now for your update.
Welcome to the channel. Today is July 22nd, 2010. And earnings giveth and Bernanke taketh away. We'll see what happens today. Earnings reports fairly strong. They say from eBay, boosting up this market. Again, this is at least we have an earnings-driven kind of market right now. But obviously, the economy is an overriding factor in where this market's going to go forward. But it is what it is. Yesterday's break was a Bernanke break, and we, have to understand that. Things are going to happen, and on top of it all, he's going to be talking this morning as well. So it's one of those things that you have to be extremely careful, because they're going to be discussing or asking questions, and I think from what I heard yesterday, he had trouble giving them a couple distinct answers when they came to what else can the Fed do to stimulate the economy. I think the unknown factor comes into play here. So definitely there's a added risk into the trade today, in addition to the usual, into the usual. And until he stops talking, and then you have the talking heads who then try to figure out what exactly he meant. Case in point was yesterday when we were after his testimony, after I should say his after his testimony, then there was a question on CNBC. Was it dovish or hawkish? Was his answer dovish or hawkish? So that's the question that they asked, which means I don't think anybody knows what the hell's going on. And so if you're going to listen to those people, you got to take everything with a grain of salt. And that's why you have these gyrations, or one day S&Ps just completely fall out of bed for what he said, and then the next day we're up 14 points. Okay? Alright, so word of warning, and also understand the risk involved, so then just decide how much risk you want to take trading today. And the most important thing is to have your stops in and be careful. Alright, let's give you levels that we got going today. Today the S&P, the pivot's going to be 1078. As you can see by the charts here, we got a little bit of resistance coming up here against our trend line that we've got up there at 79. So I'm going to have the 79 also, even though our pivot's going to be 78. We have that 79, which for at least for the time being seems to be holding this market contained. It's containing this market. We'll see what happens if we get above it. Then we have 82 above that, 86. Remember, now we have the same problem. It's not a problem. We had the same situation yesterday, like we have today, or same problem today that we had yesterday, which is if we get above 86, I think we could make a quick move up to the upside. 86 is a big level the market could not get through yesterday. So we got 86 and 92, 95, 99, and then 1104 above. Below, we've got support at 73, 69, 65, 61, 57, 53, and then 48. Bond pivot today is going to be 28.20, and resistance above at 29. And then even. 04, 09, 29.15. 28.11 below. 28.08, 28.04, 27.31. All right, let's be a little bit patient here. Again, got to react to earnings. You got to react to Bernanke. Bernanke speaking. There are going to be some economic reports that's going to be released at the top of the hour. Home sales expectation there's for 5.2, and the leading indicators expectation there is for a minus 0.3, and those are coming out at the top of the hour. So there was jobless claims that came out a lot worse than expected, but the market just held up anyway. And so that was that last break down there in the bottom. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's be a little bit careful as S&P's get ready to open up, and we'll get back here in a little bit.
This was a Floor Traders Club Chicago online educational channel update, presented in an educational format only, and nothing is to be taken as trading advice. In addition, no presentation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those predicted or shown. Sponsored by the Floor Traders Club Chicago online educational channels and workshops. To get a trading edge now, join our See It Here It Live educational trading channel, broadcast trading days, online live from the trading pits in Chicago to your PC via live audio and real-time charts, starting at 8 a.m. Central Time at www.floortradersclub.com. That's www.floortradersclub.com. You must assess the risk of any trade with your broker and make your own independent decisions regarding any securities, futures, options, or other financial instruments mentioned or shown. Trading futures and forex or any other financial instruments involves high risk. Please consult a licensed financial professional. Please review and be aware of the additional risk disclosures and disclaimers displayed. See you in the channel.